All right, we have some big news coming in. The inside track of Mumbai court that's hearing this drugs case. The NCB lawyer says, and I quote, "We have sufficient evidence. All the accused are interconnected. Please grant police custody for 2 days." This is the NCB seeking to interrogate the three accused, asking for custody for at least 2 days until the 5th of October. This is what we get information, first information coming in from the court. Devesh, the NCB now saying that there's sufficient evidence to show that all the accused are interconnected. Well, there's no surprises in guessing that. They are friends. They've gone to that party together. Quite clearly, they are interconnected. What exactly does the NCB means when it says accused are all interconnected? Does that mean that on one hand, you have Aryan, who has been accused of consumption. On the other, you have the other two, Munmun and Arbaz, who've been accused of possession and purchase. Does that mean interconnected means that all three of them were involved in all of these activities? Purchase, consumption and possession.
Remember, there is a conspiracy over here, Nabila. The conspiracy was hatched over WhatsApp messages. They planned to buy drugs and then they planned to consume these drugs on the cruise ship, at the event which was being organized on the cruise ship. So the NCB, the agency, the Drug Enforcement Agency, is pointing out to that conspiracy or the planning that has come to light, that they have found that these three persons had planned this, and that is why they are interconnected. They are connected with each other. They had planned to buy these drugs, then they had planned to consume these drugs, and they had planned to be on this ship at this particular event, and that is why they were carrying these variety of drugs which were seized from them. That is what the NCB is trying to point out to the court. Once the court is convinced on the NCB stand whether there was a conspiracy, the court could hear the defense and further decide whether to send them to NCB custody or not. But as of now, NCB is pointing out all the evidences that they have collected in the past few hours, in the last few hours that they had since morning, since when Aryan and Munmun Damecha and Arbaz were being questioned by NCB officials. There was a drug test also conducted using a drug kit. Remember that drug kit was used, a portable drug kit was used to ascertain whether they have consumed drugs or not, after which they were taken to a government-run hospital as well, where again they were tested, their well-being was checked, and then they were taken to the court where they are being produced right now. It will be decided by the court further, depending on the arguments from both sides, whether they go to custody or whether they are granted bail or whether they are sent to jail custody.